Welcome to the year 2026, a world defined by the deep glow of neon red and the stark shadows of a new era. Here, the architecture of the future stands tall against a darkening sky, draped in mystery and technological dominance. Above the skyline, the city breathes through a digital pulse where fleets of drones navigate a complex web of data. Intricate AI networks manifest as glowing holographic patterns, connecting the entire infrastructure into a single, living entity. Descending into the urban canyons, the atmosphere thickens with the scent of rain and the hum of high-speed transit. Automated transit pods glide silently past massive holographic advertisements, where the boundary between physical and digital vanishes. Every node and every connection is a heartbeat in the vast AI network that sustains this world. The scale of this metropolis is a testament to the heights of human and artificial intelligence. This is more than just a city. It is the interconnected beauty of our near future, pulsating with life. The horizon of 2026, the future is now glowing in red and black,